Kampala zaprzyjemy formę paper.
in Dixon. 60-odd miles from
Uganda zaprzyjemy 47 milionów paper.
Is it too late to learn to listen?
Kampala te kapitan Uganda talar kasiti Uganda.
Too late to be less a man.